Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, Swaption valuation at expiration. In this section, we briefly explore the value of a payer and receiver swaption at expiration. As we will see, if a swaption is in the money, the benefit essentially an interest savings on each payment that is a function of the difference between the SFR on the swap and the strike rate on the swaption. We also use this discussion to lay the foundation for the pricing of swaptions prior to expiration. I'll get into the details as we move forward. The value of a payer swaption at expiration upon exercising a European swaption at its expiration, the underlying swap will commence. We know from our study of swap pricing that at inception, the floating rate payments and the fixed rate payments must have the same present value. By exercising a payer swaption, the holder of the swaption enters a swap and pays the strike rate on the swaption, SFR, instead of the current prevailing swap rate, SFR. On each payment in the swap initiated by exercising the swaption, the cash outflow is reduced by the difference between the SFR, SR. Payoff on each swap payment equals SFR minus SR times notional principal times time, when FRAC is the fraction of the year covered by the maturity of the underlying SOFR instrument, and NP is the notional principal. Because the payer swaption will be exercised only when SFR is greater than SFR, it is also the case that the payoff from the option in any payment in the swap equals the following. Equation 22.25, payoff on each swap payment is equal to max SFR minus SR times NP times FRAC. We will use the fact expressed by 22.25 when we turn to pricing the options before expiration. Viewed from the expiration of the swaption and the initiation of the swap, the present value of all the payoffs from the T payments in the swap is as follows. Summation equals SFR minus SR times NP times FRAC. Assuming no default on the swap, this is a risk-free value. As we will see by comparing equation 22.26 and 22.25, the value of the swaption at expiration is just the value of the portfolio payoffs on all of the individual payments. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. See you soon.